Hello, Namaskar, good morning. I'm Mrinmoy on behalf of Shri Aurobindo Society. Welcome you all in this great idea sharing platform that is ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. So today I'm back again with to share with you a new idea from the state UP that is named as theme-based attendance for class 2, chapter 2 English. So let's see how this idea can be innovative and how it will fulfill our purpose of education. Innovation is to use attendance as a medium of learning in the classroom scenario. That is, students need to reply a word from the chapter that has already been taught in the class instead of saying present. That means that the duration, that the 20 minutes or 30 minutes, 25 minutes, the teacher that he or she spent for the attendance to be conducted in the classroom, the teacher can conduct the attendance in this way. Accordingly, the time will also be utilized for the learning and reading purpose. Now, what are the concepts that can be covered through this idea? They are shapes, naming word, describing word, etc. The educator will take the theme of the attendance as colors, name of the colors. The roll calls can be called in chronological order for the attendance. What are the pre-arrangements necessary for before conducting this activity? They are: the educator needs to make the following arrangements in the classroom. Make some paper cutouts of the shapes like square, circle, triangle, etc. And then the color tags, arrange the tags of different colors. That means those shapes will be colored with different colors, right? Like red, yellow, green, purple, etc. Then revising the concept of shapes, naming word, vocabulary through visualizing under the idea of theme-based attendance as a part of this visual learning. Inform that today they will mark their attendance in a funny way. What kind of funny way? Let's see. Give the following instruction. That means educator will give the instructions before taking the attendance. What kind of instructions the educator will give to the students? They are each student has to point out, students will be called according to their roll number in sequence. Then each student has to point out the shapes and colors from board according to their choice. Roll number 1, for example, Ria, the shapes chosen is circle, which is red in color. Then roll number 2, Sonu, Sonu has chosen the shape as square, which is blue in color or black in color, like that. The same process will continue until all the students respond, so that they can develop here the critical thinking, self-awareness and decision-making skills during the procedure. Conclude that that students will remember the shapes and colors through attendance. Through this innovative idea implementation, the following learning outcomes can be achieved. What are they? The students will be able to compose new sentences, short sentences. They will understand or learn that how to give pause between words. Draws, they will understand that how to draw the shapes, that is triangle, circle, square, etc. Express verbally his or her opinion and ask questions about the character, storyline, etc. This is the kind of learning outcomes they can achieve if the idea is implemented into the classroom. This activity can be continued until the last roll number. This activity ensures active participation of the students inside the classroom, which is a key aspect of peer learning approach as per NCF 2005. The duration of the implementation for this innovative idea is based on the assumption that the pupil-teacher ratio will be 30:1. Thank you very much for listening to my video, and I hope that in near future I'll be coming up with more innovative ideas like these. And make sure to download the app of Innovative Pathshala from Google Play Store, and please share, subscribe our channel of ZIIEI so that you can get future updates of innovative ideas accordingly. Namaskar.